In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Fix Me by Black Flag off of the First 4 Years record. But before we begin, remember to like this video and subscribe. I'll be posting new videos every week. And also remember to post any comments, anything you want to see, anything you liked, what you didn't like, or any questions. And also one more thing before I get started, I found this book actually at a local bookstore yesterday. It's called Corporate Rock Sucks. It's the story of SST Records, which was Greg Ginn from Black Flag's label. I haven't even read it yet. I literally got it yesterday, but I just thought like anyone watching this video might be kind of interested in this. I'll post a link for where you can get it in the description, but it looks really cool. Anyways, here we go. All right, so the song's pretty straightforward. It's in the key of A, and it's mostly power chords. The one thing you're going to find with this song is that there's traditional power chords, which play most of the chords that are played with the root on the E string. So like typically like an A chord, which the song's in the key is going to be played like a traditional power chord with the bottom 3 notes. But all the chords, the power chords that have a root on the A string, like a D chord, there's going to be another note added to it, and basically you're going to bridge your finger across the E and A strings. So like if you're playing a D chord, you're going to play the traditional 3 notes, then you're going to bridge your index finger one more string down and add that note to it. So in this case, it's an A note. So it gives a little bit more of a depth to that chord. So basically you're playing, instead of playing just these 3 notes, you're going to play these 4 notes, the bottom 4 strings. And so that's really the only tricky thing, but Black Flag, Greg Ginn likes to do that in a lot of the songs, and it kind of gives it like a heavier, like more depth to those chords. So to begin, the verse rhythm, and it's kind of the intro too, goes like this. So you'll notice that 4th chord is has that extra note in it, and the other 3 are basically traditional power chords. So one more time, kind of slowly. And so for the chorus, there's kind of like an ascending and descending pattern, and all of the chords are going to have that extra note. They're all going to be rooted on the A string, so they're all going to have that extra bridge note. And so it goes like this. And then there comes the descending pattern, so it goes. So it's can be kind of confusing when you hear it with the vocal pattern over the top, but basically you're doing this descending pattern, so it goes. So you go basically you go in this pattern where you go from the 5th fret to the 3rd fret to the 2nd fret root note, up to the 3rd fret, up to the 5th fret, down to the 3rd fret, 2nd. So you do that pattern 5th, 3rd, 2nd, or 5th, 3rd, 2nd, 3rd, 5th, and it just kind of goes up and down. The pattern, the phrasing is it's not straight like 4/4 time. It's not straight like on the beat. It's a little different, so you can kind of listen to it here. But an easy way to think of it is you don't repeat a note and you don't skip a note on that pattern. So 5th, 3rd, 2nd, 3rd, 5th, 3rd, 2nd, 3rd, 5th, and it just goes up and down. So slowly. And then regular speed. Then it goes right back into the verse. And then at the very end of the song, it ends on A chord, and right after that, the descending pattern, so it goes. And that's it for the song. Like I said, it's pretty straightforward with power chords, but like Black Flag has that you know, with that extra note makes it sound really cool, and that pattern is like very like kind of like the beginning is a sludge kind of hardcore, like descending, ascending, and it's just a cool song to learn and play. So remember, if you like this video, like it, subscribe, and remember, post any comments, what you liked, what you didn't like, what you want to see next time, and I will see you guys next time.